Hi, Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges, taking a look at a market that finally is showing maybe a little bit of a give back here as we kind of crested at all-time highs again this morning, but have pulled back since. So I'm looking for maybe a 2 or 3 day pullback here, just given that this rally has been basically straight up. Trade deal far from even being close to completed. Third quarter in a row of earnings recession, so really no reason for the breakout other than the fact that it did break out here. So I think the light of day is starting to set on some stocks here, particularly on the NASDAQ names. So I'm buying the QQQ puts here, buying the November monthlies that expire a week from Friday, the 200 puts, hedging by selling this week's 199 puts, paying a little over $1.20 for that spread here. Like the fact that the Vixen, which is basically the VIX of the NASDAQ, is also at the lowest levels we've seen in a very long time. So markets at all-time highs, volatility, price of options at all-time lows. I kind of like buying puts here as well. First time the Qs have traded over 200. They did reverse and head lower intraday today, so I look for a little more downside on those, especially given the fact that we had two of the biggest NASDAQ names, Amazon and Google, both missed pretty badly on earnings, yet both of those stocks are higher post-earnings. Apple came out and was just okay here, so valuation's getting a little stretched here. Free money can only take us too far. Other than that, I think we'll have to wait and see what happens with this market. We have the 10-year yield heading higher as well, which is putting a little bit of a dent in some of those high-yield names, although providing a little bit of a tailwind to the banks here, so kind of a yin and yang there as well. So I think we may retest that breakout level on the S&P 500, basically right above that 3,000 level. See if we can break that or not remains to be seen. But I think a pullback, given the fact that we're going to have earnings lower again this quarter, nothing coming out of China as far as a firm deal. I think stocks got a little over their skis here, so just think a pullback will be not only warranted but probably healthy as well. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.